Well, just in this morning, a weaker than expected jobs report causing stock futures to slump this morning.
Employers added 73,000 jobs for the month of July. That is below the forecasted number of 100,000. At the same time, the unemployment rate ticked up slightly to 4.2%. The report could signal trouble for the U.S. Labor Department. And this morning, we are getting some analysis on those numbers from senior financial writer from 1834 Division of Old National Bank, Pat Raykamp. Pat, good to see you on this Friday.
Good to see you guys again. Thanks for having me.
Are you licking your wounds from the, I know you're a Twins fan, from the trades?
You know, my concern is the next time they're going to be competitive again, I'll have kids in high school. I have a 3-year-old and a baby, so that they'll come back around, but it could be a while.
Spoken like a true Minnesota sports fan.
Yeah, we've been here before, right?
Let's talk about the numbers we just kind of mentioned. Tell us what they show us right now.
I think so. The big thing, unemployment rate ticks up to 4.2%. It's been between 4 and 4.2% since May of 24. Yeah. So we've been in sort of this range-bound area. It did miss the expectations for 100,000 jobs added, so it's a little soft. I mean, generally, the employment market, cooling, not collapsing is how I describe it.
And we've had 7 weeks in a row where it went up, so.
It did. We've seen, though, now, one of the big things within this report is they went back and revised May and June, and they revised them much lower than they initially reported, that's concerning.
Yeah, those revisions, what are analysts saying about it? How does that impact the overall look?
Well, we've seen some sort of wonky data now since COVID. The revisions tend to be a little bit bigger than they used to be, so that's definitely something concerning. And we're going to watch going forward now is what happens in August. Do they go back and revise July even lower? That's something definitely keep an eye on.
Before we let you out of here, interest rate, we know it wasn't cut the other day. Do we think that will happen in September?
Right now, it's looking like less than a 50-50 chance of a cut. Right now, I mean, with the tariff uncertainty, who knows what's going to happen? The Fed does not meet in August, so we're going to have to wait and see what happens in September. Again, a lot of data between now and then, though.
Yeah, we'll have more on that tariff news. Of course, those tariffs going into effect here overnight, how that could have an impact here. And we know that you will be watching it all.
I will be.
Yeah, and we'll pick your brain on it. Pat, thanks so much. Pat Raykamp from
Thanks,
1834 Division of Old National. We'll see you next time, and happy breathing out there, too.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty tough out there. Tough to be a Twins fan, tough to breathe, too.